welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley. If you don't already know, click that like button, subscribe, tell your friends, put on your post notifications so you can see every time I post a new video. I want to thank everybody that has watched my video, liked a button, commented something. Like, I really appreciate it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do my slick bun. I did an Instagram post and a lot of, I got 100%. Everybody wanted a bun. So we doing a bun. I just can't do this anymore. Like, I can't wear my hair like this anymore. This is from a wash and go that I did a couple of days, actually almost a week ago. It's on my channel now, my curly hair routine. If you haven't gone to see that video, go check out that video to see how I achieved my wash and go. But now it's time for a bun. Like, hair is bigger than me. I can't wear my hair out like this. Yeah, it's time for a bun. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do a bun today. I think I'm gonna do a low bun. I think I'm gonna keep the side part. Yeah, and we're gonna do a bun. So what you'll need is a spray bottle. I got a new spray bottle. This one's popping and it's black. I got it from Amazon. It's one of those like continuous spray bottles. So you're gonna see how well this works. A brush or some type of smoothing agent, because we're getting our bun sleek and down, okay? Like, we're sleeking this out. Next thing you'll need is some leave-in conditioner. This one is the Bella Curls Coconut Whipped Cream leave-in conditioner. If you guys don't listen to anything I say in any of these videos, just know, listen to this. This is one of the best leave-in conditioners I've come across in my life. I've tried a lot of leave-in conditioners. This one, first of all, it's the cheapest. This is like $5 at Dollar General. I usually order mine, like I order like 2 or 3 at a time. The slip is amazing. It's cheap. It's moisturizing. Yeah, this is the leave-in I'm gonna be using. I usually use this like when I'm refreshing my hair, if I'm putting it back in a bun, because I literally use this all the time because it's so cheap. Yeah, this is the leave-in I'm gonna be using. It's amazing. I'm also going to be using my DIY oil. I used it in my last video with the curly hair and the pre-poo routines. And then what I'm gonna be using for my edges is this Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. I didn't start. Okay, this is my baby hair story. I always like seeing girls doing baby hairs and stuff, so I wanted to try it. But my hair, like, if you guys can tell, like, I don't really, except like here, I got a little over here too, but I don't really have like edges to slick down. I don't have baby hairs. I have like grown adult hairs. It was just the struggles trying to figure out how to swoop my hair, how to do my hair, because I don't really have edges to do. I came across this and I started using it. First of all, it smells amazing. Like, can we get into the smell? It smells like blue Jolly Ranchers. Like, you want to eat it. This is amazing. It slicks my edges down all day. I don't use a lot of it. It's just great. You're also gonna need a hair tie, because we're gonna put our hair in a ponytail first. Some scrunchies to actually form the bun. So I recommend these. I use these also in my last video, which was my curly hair routine. You can see why I love them in that last video, so go check that out. What we're gonna need today, I'm gonna start with my water bottle. I need my hair flat. So see why I love this? It's just continuous. Like, so much water at one time. We need to drench our hair because we're slicking it down. I don't really slick down the ends as much because I still want to keep like the curl pattern in the bun. I really just do the top. I'm gonna take some of my leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna take some of that leave-in. I'm gonna put it on my head. Like I said, we're gonna be slicking this down, so I need this as flat as possible. And y'all know I use a lot of products, so don't mind me. You have to think I have a lot of hair that needs to sit down, so it's not like I'm using a lot of product just to use a lot of product. Well, maybe a little bit, but use a lot of product because I have a lot of hair. I'm not gonna use a gel because it's gonna leave my hair hard. At least if I use a leave-in, my hair is still moisturized underneath the bun. When I go to wash it soon, it's not as hard, it's not as tangled. So that's really why I use a leave-in instead of a gel. Slicking this down today. Whew. Sometimes I have to add like some more water because it started to dry up. If you have to, please add some more water, add some more leave-in, add more leave-in, add more leave-in conditioner, add more water if you need to. So now that our hair is slicked down, I'm gonna take a scrunchie. Sure it's smooth, everything is in there. Sure all the hair, there's no bumps, there's no like hair coming out. Make sure it's all smooth. All right, so I like to have a nice tight ponytail. It prevents the bun from moving around. All right, so after we got our ponytail, I'm going to split my bun in half. I'm gonna split my ponytail in half. I'm gonna twist one side, and I'm gonna start to form the bun and go around the ponytail. And then once both the sides meet, I'm going to twist both of them. Twist both of them and then wrap it around. I'm gonna take a hair tie and I'm gonna wrap it around the bun to secure it. I'm gonna go over the top of my hair one more time just to sleek it down a little bit more. So now that my bun is in, I'm gonna go in with my edge control. I'm just gonna be taking a regular toothbrush. So first thing I like to do, because I don't, like I said, I don't have edges, adult hair. I'm just gonna take the baby hairs like out, take a little of my edge control. I start little by little. I don't take like a big glob of it because sometimes like I'll mess up my edges, mess up the little swoop. I gotta do it again, so I don't like to take a lot. I like to gradually go in. So I'm gonna pull out some of the hair and put my finger there, and I'm just gonna swoop. Take a little more of my hair. I can use that for an edge. I literally have to like grab hairs to make edges. It's so sad. And I'm gonna make another swoop. So yeah, those are the baby hairs that I like to do. Ooh, they came, I like those baby hairs. Weird, both of my, I guess, temples of my head have like a weird like patch. But we're gonna finesse today. So this side, see, I don't really have much edge going on like right here, but I don't like forced edges. I think those look corny. We're gonna make natural looking edges. I do edges on this side. I'm trying to think, do I even want to do edges on this side? I don't know if I like it. I just think this looks weird. I think I'm just gonna leave the edges on that side and then have this just swoop because I feel like I'm forcing it. So I'm gonna I'm gonna just swoop that down. Let me know, like, were y'all feeling that little like swoop I just did before, like that little edge swoop I just did? Let me know because I really wasn't feeling it. Y'all tell me what y'all like better. Quick and easy, this is the final look. Let me show y'all my bun from the back. My buns are super quick and easy. They don't take a lot of work. They don't even take a lot of time. I do the same routine when I wear my hair in a top bun and in a low bun. I'll give you a close-up. And we swooped our edges. I hope you guys like this video today. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know which swoop you liked better. It's hard for me to like really do edges, but I love how they look. So I try to do like a little something. I feel like it gives you a little like something else to your face besides just a regular like bun. Sometimes also what I like to do at the end is like grab a little from my sideburn, put some water on that baby. I like to grab a little like from my sideburn. I take a little oil. I take a little water and I take a small amount of leave-in conditioner. And you gotta just play with it. Like, ooh, yep, that's it. I like to just leave like one Like if I'm taking like a side picture, I like to have like a little curl in it. It's my little like baby curl. Probably take a smaller amount because this one's a big one. And just wrap that baby around. Like I said, you have to play with it because sometimes it'll come out a little funky. That's it. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Check out this side. What I like to do too, I'll take a little bit of my oil, put some in my hand, and put it on the bun so it leaves a little shine to it. And then I'll also put some like in the middle on my scalp, just so it looks, we look together. Look like a glazed donut right now. So yeah, guys, that's how I get my low bun. I do this for when I wear like a top knot and I wear my low buns. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you guys use some of the products that I used today. Be well, be safe, be healthy, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know which swoop you was feeling, because I was not feeling the other one, but let me know if y'all liked it. Know if you guys recreate this look, use any of the techniques, use any of the products I used, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.